We've come to see Hotel Elite Plaza, Sanpada, Navi, Mumbai, ground +3 plus terrace. It's a corner plot and we are the junction and Sanpada railway station onto this side and Juinagar onto this side and right behind us. So this is the junction that we are at and it's a lovely plot and it's a lovely hotel on sale. Hotel Elite Plaza. We've got a reception and 6 rooms on each floor and then we got a terrace as well. 2,100 square feet area. Let's go and have a look at this one. And we got APMC market nearby. We got IT Park Turbhe, which is close by as well, and a Cidco office as well, which is close by. It's a very interesting project, this hotel, and a lovely location as well. Let's go inside. So we've come inside. We got a brand new elevator installed inside as well. We got a reception. We got a back office and staff and other rooms behind onto this side, and we got the staircase up as well. We got new firefighting system installed and we got NOC as well obtained from the firefighting department, and lovely reception as well. We got 6 rooms on each floor and we got plenty of space behind, parking as well. But let's go and have a look at the rooms above. So we came out of the brand new elevator. We got the fluted paneling as well, and you got 6 rooms and they're all occupied all the time. They're catering to corporates, and that's the elevator. So if you buy this and put it on rent, you'll fetch a very good rent. I'm just going to show you one room because everything else is occupied here. So one room here, and this is the biggest of all, 18-room hotel, and you got the windows there. You got a niche window where you can see. Onto that side is Juinagar railway station, and you got a big bathroom as well, en suite. So yeah, it's a fantastic investment, and 6 rooms every floor, and we've got a terrace as well and a restaurant on the ground level. So that's what it is. It's a corner plot, an ideal proposition and a great investment opportunity for investors to buy it and put it on rent. They get a good rental amount as well. It's a corner plot right here in the junction, and again Juinagar railway station onto this side, Sanpada onto the other side. Advertise, rent, sell your property on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me, Hotel Elite Plaza.